Well, hello, the B3 burner, and what I have for you today is a little bit of contention I have with my headliner where it meets the windshield. And with a little bit of 3M trim adhesive and a pencil, I'm going to attempt to spray very carefully where the top of the fabric of the headliner is coming apart from its foam backing. Spray glue and then carefully roll it in place with the pencil back and forth until it hopefully dries up. And if done correctly, it'll at least be decent enough to get by without being an added expense at the upholstery shop. That is the goal at hand. So join me as I show you how that's going to work, hopefully. There we go. There it is. Pull, pull. Well, we don't want to pull, we want to tack it back up. As I say, we're not going to get rid of the hole, but we can at least pull back up the part that's hanging down with 3M trim adhesive. So that is what I'm going to attempt to do. I'm going to use trim adhesive and a pencil in which to roll it and try my best, do my best, whatever you want to call it, to make it work. So we'll see what happens in a second. So the tripod doesn't work so well in this situation, so I'm just going to have to do this one-handed and hope that I do it okay. So I'm holding the camera with the right hand, my spray trim adhesive with the left. I've got some napkins down here in case I get drips. And then the idea is I was going to try to roll it with the pencil and hold it flat. So here goes nothing. Boy, oh boy, and that piece really wants to hang down. Okay. Shake it up a little bit. And spray. And grab my pencil and start rolling. Oh boy, I wish it was a smaller pencil. You can see some of the adhesive came through already. I think I'm gonna have to hold it up with my fingers. See if that does any good. Yeah, I think I got sprayed in too far. I didn't get enough on the edge closest to the windshield. Wow. I don't know. I don't think I did this right. I sprayed too close to the back, which is good. I secured the back, but that's not where the weight is causing it to hang down. What I'd really like to do is see that open tan piece. This came loose from there. I'd really like to get that without hitting the glass of the windshield. Okay, here we go. Oh, shit. All over my hands. Yuck. And on my dashboard. Okay, well, there we go. There goes nothing. This stuff smells like Elmer's glue times 10. It's pretty nasty stuff. And it's soaked through the fabric and is all over my finger while I hold it down. Ah, well. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. Just hold it in place. That's the worst part. And then to the right of my thumb is the other half that's coming down. And even if it's not perfect, as long as it's not hanging down, that's all I care about. I'm sure there are solvents I can rinse my hand off if need be. Now let's get this side, right, the right-hand side, right over there. Being careful that it doesn't go flying right up in my face. There we go. Okay. This is exciting. This is as exciting as watching paint dry, only it's glue dry. As exciting as watching glue dry. Hey man, this is seriously exciting stuff when you consider the fact that I don't want to have to pay to have somebody else do this. If I can do it myself, it might not be perfect, but if the whole headliner was falling down, that would be different. I'm not going to pay an upholstery shop to do this. This is pretty simple stuff. Yeah. Even if it's not perfect. And you can see it's not perfect. But if at least the foam is still exposed, but the outer surface isn't hanging down. And that's the important part. And I'm going to push that up there. Push that up there, just sort of roll it with the backward part of my finger. Then we still have this hanging down. My fingers are drying up good and tacky. I gotta find a finger that isn't affected by glue yet, so I don't pull it down with my own fingers. All right, let's get this piece. There we go. We'll just hold it up like that. Uh-oh. That piece is starting to come down on the right. A little concerned about that. All right, here we go. Pull my hand away. Tuck that up. There we go. Just hold it in place. I wonder if it was hot out instead of cold, whether it would dry quicker and do better. Trying to find fingers that aren't already gluey. Let's use my back of my ring finger and pinky. Yellow. Okay. Still quite not liking the way this part's hanging down. But I'm afraid to apply too much to it. If I over soak it, it's just gonna fall. This piece is gonna have to get cut, but that's only after I get it tacked back up to the fabric above. Okay. Not terribly perfect, but you get the idea. So, but if you're sitting in the passenger seat, you're just seeing this. So I need to cut that little piece away.